Welcome back, fellow gardeners. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of seeds. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, knowing the different types of seeds available can make all the difference in growing a bountiful garden. From conventional to heirloom, organic to hybrid, we'll cover it all in this video. Not only will we discuss the unique characteristics of each type of seed, but we'll also share some handy tips on where to buy them and creative ways to organize your seeds. So, get ready to expand your seed vocabulary and take your gardening to the next level. Let's get started. So let's start with conventional seeds. The most commonly available seeds in stores are conventional seeds. These seeds are produced from plants grown with synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, or herbicides. While they're less expensive, they may not be the best choice for your garden. Many of these synthetic chemicals can have adverse effects on the environment, such as contaminating the soil, groundwater, and nearby ecosystems. Also, these chemicals may affect the health of people who come into contact with them, such as the farmers or gardeners. Now, how about organic seeds? Well, organic seeds, on the other hand, are produced from plants grown without the synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. They're an excellent choice for gardeners who want to avoid chemicals and promote sustainability. Now that we've talked about conventional and organic seeds, there's a lot of other terms that might be confusing, like hybrid seeds. Hybrid seeds are produced by crossbreeding two different plant varieties. These are sometimes referred to as F1, which stands for the first generation of the offspring of the cross. They're often bred to produce desirable traits such as disease resistancy, higher yields, better flavor. While they can be a good choice for some gardeners, it's important to note that hybrid seeds cannot be saved for future planting, as they'll produce plants with unpredictable traits. So let's talk about open-pollinated seeds. Open-pollinated seeds are non-hybrid seeds pollinated by natural means such as the wind or insect. These seeds are an excellent choice for gardeners who want to save their own seeds for future planting, as they'll produce plants with similar genetic characteristics of the parent plant. Okay, so now that we talked about hybrid and open-pollinated, how about heirloom seeds? Well, heirloom seeds are a type of open-pollinated seed that has been passed down through generations. They're often associated with a particular region or culture that have unique characteristics and that have been preserved over time. Great way to preserve biodiversity and cultural heritage in the garden. Finally, there are three other types of seeds that you need to be aware of: genetically modified seeds, treated seeds, and pelleted seeds. Genetically modified seeds have had their DNA altered in the lab to produce specific traits such as herbicide resistance, typically by the company who produces the herbicide. Conventional farmers will buy the seed and the chemicals from the same company. Treated seeds are typically coated with chemicals to protect against pests and disease. Pelleted seeds have also been coated in a material, but done so to make them easier to handle or plant. Here are some common questions. Can hybrid seeds be organic? Yes, hybrid seeds can be organic as long as they're produced using organic farming practices and they meet the standards set by the organic certification programs. What is a GMO seed? A genetically modified seed is a seed that has been genetically modified using biotechnology techniques to introduce new traits or characteristics that do not occur naturally in the plant's genome. Can GMO seeds be used for organic farming? No, GMO seeds are not allowed in organic farming. Organic farming standards prohibit the use of GMOs and require the use of organic or non-GMO seeds. What are treated seeds? A treated seed is a seed that has been coated with pesticide, fungicide, or other chemicals to protect them from pest and disease. Are treated seeds allowed in organic farming? Treated seeds are generally not allowed in organic farming, as organic practices aim to avoid the use of synthetic chemicals. However, treated seeds are allowed in organic farming, but only if they are treated with a substance that are allowed for organic production. What are pelleted seeds? Pelleted seeds have a coating on them, inert material to make them easier to handle and plant. Are pelleted seeds allowed in organic farming? Yes, as long as the material to coat the seeds is listed as an approved substance by the organic certification program. So there you have it, a brief overview of the different types of seeds available. We recommend using organic seeds whenever possible to promote a healthy and sustainable garden. Remember, the quality of the seed is the foundation of the quality of plants that you grow, so choose wisely. Now, where can you buy organic seeds? If you're looking for high quality organic seeds, we recommend checking out High Mowing Organic Seeds. They have a great selection and new varieties for 2023 that we're excited about. They have quick shipping and it's my #1 go-to. Plus, if you use our affiliate link down below when making a purchase, you'll be supporting the channel and helping us bring you more awesome content. Now here's a quick tip on how to store your seed packets. I recommend using a photo storage plastic case that holds 16 of the 4x6 cases inside of this exterior case. Each internal case can be labeled for easy organization. The case comes with a sheet of stickers you can use for labeling. The clear cases allow you to take a quick look in at the top seed packets so you can easily identify what you're looking for. The photo case is very durable and it stores nicely in storage shelves. I'll put the link down below to this case on Amazon. If you need any help planning your garden, check out our Plan My Garden tool. Enter your zip code, draw your garden layout, select what vegetables you want to grow and how much space you want to allocate to each. Check out, and then we'll send you an email with a PDF that has a visual schedule for each vegetable you selected, a getting started guide, a grow guide for each vegetable selected, and your garden layout updated with optimal plant placements for maximum yields. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. You might be interested in this new video on the left, how to build a garden from scratch, or this video on the right, which is my most recent.